Have you ever felt like your savings account wasn't doing enough for you? Tired of being nickel-and-dimed by traditional banks? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of high-interest savings accounts and show you how to open one with EQ Bank. If you're looking for a way to make your money work harder, an EQ Bank account might be just what you need. EQ Bank is a digital bank that offers competitive interest rates on its savings accounts, making it a popular choice for Canadians looking to grow their wealth. Step-by-step guide. Visit the EQ Bank website. The first step is to head over to the EQ Bank website. You can find it by searching EQ Bank in your preferred search engine. Create an account. Once you're on the website, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, EQ Bank will require you to verify your identity. This might involve providing a copy of your government-issued ID or completing a video identification process. Choose your account type. EQ Bank offers a few different account types, each with its own features and benefits. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Fund your account. Once you've chosen your account type, you'll need to fund it. You can do this by transferring money from another bank account or by depositing a check. Start earning interest. As soon as your funds are available, you'll start earning interest on your savings. EQ Bank's interest rates are typically higher than those offered by traditional banks. Additional tips. Set up automatic transfers. To make the most of your EQ Bank account, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account. This way, you can ensure that your savings grow consistently. Take advantage of promotions. EQ Bank often offers promotions and bonuses to new and existing customers. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your savings. Use the EQ Bank app. The EQ Bank app makes it easy to manage your account and track your progress. Download the app to get started. Opening an EQ Bank account is a simple and straightforward process that can help you reach your financial goals. With competitive interest rates and a user-friendly platform, EQ Bank is a great option for Canadians looking to grow their savings. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning more on your money today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.